With the release of version 6, Grape City Documents includes a fast, modern, and JavaScript-based data viewer. This data viewer is a cross-platform solution to view popular data documents on Windows, Mac, Linux, iOS, Android devices, and all modern browsers. This video presents the data viewing capabilities of Grape City Documents Data Viewer and guides you to get started with the data viewer in an ASP.NET Core application to view popular data document types such as Excel, CSV, and Spread.js. This fast, modern data viewer allows you to load an XLSX, CSV, or Spread.js document, zoom in and out, switch view mode, and cycle through available themes. The JavaScript Data Viewer offers several data options while loading a document. We selected to show hidden sheets and unhide filters. New sheet can be seen now, and the filter is hidden. You can switch sheet tabs, view grouped content, scroll content, and view frozen rows, among many other Excel features. It allows you to select the data, see data aggregations in the status bar at the bottom, and copy the content to the clipboard. The next part of the video will help you get started with the JavaScript Documents Data Viewer in an ASP.NET Core application. In Visual Studio, create a new project and choose the ASP.NET Core application template. Provide the project name, configure the project, and click Create button. Wait till the project is ready to use. When the project is ready, import the data viewer's JS and CSS files to the lib folder under www.root. You can use the terminal to get files from the NPM server or copy them manually from the GCXL product package. The files appear under Node Modules /@grapecity/GC Data Viewer folder. Next, add an HTML file to the www.root folder and name it index.html. To the body of the HTML page, add a div container for the data viewer and set its ID to root. In the head section, add script reference for GC Data Viewer. Then add a style and script required to initialize the viewer. we created a function to load the Data Viewer component on page load. Save the changes. Finally, configure the program.cs file to open the default HTML page and load static files in the browser. Click Save and run the application to launch the Data Viewer in a browser. Use the Open Document button to load your Excel, CSV, or Spread.js document. See how an Excel file opens seamlessly in the Data Viewer. Visit grapecity.com to learn more about the new Data Viewer. Links are provided in the description below. Thanks for watching.